20 classic cars, muscle cars, and project builds for under $5,000. And a few of these are getting harder to find every year. Which one would you say first? Number 1. 1979 Chrysler LeBaron, $5,000, Columbus, Ohio. This 1979 Chrysler LeBaron is listed for $5,000 in Columbus, Ohio. It comes with an inline-six engine, automatic transmission, around 98,000 miles, and is described as being in original condition with a clean title. According to the seller, the car runs and drives very well, with good tires and everything working as intended. Both the exterior and overall condition are said to be well preserved, making it one of the more complete drivers in this price range. Number 2. 1970 Chevrolet Monte Carlo, $5,000, Pulaski, Wisconsin. This 1970 Chevrolet Monte Carlo is available for $5,000 in Pulaski, Wisconsin. It is powered by a 400 V8 backed by an automatic transmission and has reportedly been parked for more than 30 years. The seller describes it as a non-running project with rust, although not considered severe. It includes rear fender skirts and comes with a clear title, making it a realistic restoration candidate for someone willing to revive a long-stored classic.
Number 3. 1965 Mercury Comet Wagon, $4,500, in Lynchburg, Virginia. This 1965 Mercury Comet Wagon is listed for $4,500 in Lynchburg, Virginia. It features a 6-cylinder engine, automatic transmission, power steering, and was recently brought out of indoor storage. The seller says it starts, stops, and moves around the lot, but recommends going through the car before regular road use. The glass is reported to be in good condition, the rear roll-up window still works, and the wagon only needs a rear bumper to continue the restoration. Number 4. 1971 Chevrolet Monte Carlo, $5,000, in Cambridge, Ohio, although the listing mainly mentions interest in trades. It shows approximately 90,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. A Blueprint 383 V8 with roughly 6,000 miles is said to power the car, giving it a significant performance upgrade over stock. The seller is primarily looking to trade and specifically excludes oats and motorcycles.
Number 5. 1969 Ford Falcon, $5,000, Titusville, PA. This 1969 Ford Falcon is offered for $5,000 in Titusville, Pennsylvania. It is equipped with an automatic transmission and reportedly features either a 390 or 428 FE V8, although the exact engine is not confirmed. The seller states that the car has a clean title in hand and is selling for cash only with no trades. With its V8 power and straightforward listing, it could appeal to buyers looking for a solid classic Ford platform. Number 6. 1964 Buick LeSabre Custom Sedan 4D, $4,000, Elkton, Maryland. This 1964 Buick LeSabre Custom Sedan is listed for $4,000 in Elkton, Maryland. Powered by a Wildcat 310 V8 with several performance and maintenance upgrades, the seller says it is a dependable driver that can be taken on long trips. Recent work includes a new radiator, alternator, tires, cooling components, and many additional parts. The seller also notes a rust-free frame, but honestly mentions body rust, a cracked windshield, a slight rear main leak, and a missing exhaust Y-pipe.
Number 7. 1962 Mercury Comet, $4,500, in Ligonier, Indiana. This 1962 Mercury Comet Custom is available for $4,500 in Ligonier, Indiana. It has approximately 84,000 miles, an automatic transmission, a clean title, and is described as running and driving. The seller says the body is rust-free and several components have already been replaced, including the gas tank and starter. Interior work is still needed, along with brakes in the near future, making this a solid restoration project that is already operational. Number 8. 1973 Lincoln Mark IV, $2,800, in Chicago, Illinois. Showing 138,000 miles, the luxury coupe is set to run and offers a good starting point for restoration. The seller notes several recent upgrades, including a new fuel tank, fuel and brake lines, and a rebuilt carburetor. Cosmetic work is still needed, particularly paint, but the car also includes chrome wire wheels, Vogue tires, and its original 8-track player.
Number 9. 1975 Pontiac Ventura, $5,000, New Concord, Ohio. This 1975 Pontiac Ventura is offered for $5,000 in New Concord, Ohio. It is powered by a 350 V8 with a 4-barrel carburetor and automatic transmission, and the seller says it starts, runs, drives, and stops. The car has reportedly been sitting for several years, so the tires are old and a basic mechanical service is recommended before long trips. Aside from a few small rust spots, it is described as a solid project that was originally purchased for restoration. Number 10. 1965 Ford Falcon, $4,000, Cleves, Ohio. This 1965 Ford Falcon race car is listed for $4,000 in Cleves, Ohio. The seller states that it runs well, sounds strong, and is being sold as a dedicated race car rather than a street vehicle. One important detail is that the car comes with only a bill of sale and does not have a title. The listing is being posted on behalf of the owner, so additional information is limited, but it could suit buyers looking for an affordable track project.
Number 11. 1974 Pontiac Firebird Formula Coupe 2D, $4,500, Boyertown, PA. This 1974 Pontiac Firebird Formula Coupe 2D is powered by its original Pontiac 350 V8 paired with a TH350 automatic transmission. The seller says the car does not run or drive and will need to be transported by trailer. A clean title is included. Several replacement parts come with the car, including a new radiator, transmission lines, hooker headers, a retro-sound Bluetooth radio, and additional small parts. The seller also inspected the cylinders with a bore camera and reports no visible cracks, while basic ignition components have already been replaced. Overall, this appears to be a solid restoration project rather than a running driver. Priced at $4,500 in Boyertown, Pennsylvania, it offers a complete Pontiac-powered formula with useful extra parts for someone ready to continue the project. Number 12. 1974 Mercury Comet, $5,000, Fife Lake, Michigan. This 1974 Mercury Comet is equipped with a 250 inline-six engine and an automatic transmission. According to the seller, the engine turns over but currently has no spark, so the car is not running. A clean title is included. The seller notes that the body has rust, although the floor pans are reported to be solid. Aside from the ignition issue, no additional mechanical details are provided, leaving room for further inspection before returning the car to the road. Priced at $5,000 in Fife Lake, Michigan, this Comet appears to be a straightforward project for someone looking for an affordable vintage Ford-based classic.
Number 13. 1965 Ford Other Luxury, $5,000, Willis, Michigan. This 1965 Ford Other Luxury is described as a running and driving project powered by its original 200 cubic inch engine, backed by a 3-speed manual transmission. The seller says the engine is in good condition and the car remains largely solid. The project still needs attention before it is fully finished. The left turn signal is not working, the tires need replacement, and the interior has not yet completed. Some surface rust is present, but the seller says the body is otherwise solid. Offered for $5,000 in Willis, Michigan, the sale also includes extra trim pieces, tail lights, and additional parts, making it a practical restoration candidate with a good starting point. Number 14. 1951 Ford Shoebox Ford, $4,500, South Bend, Indiana. This 1951 Ford Shoebox is powered by a flathead V8 with a 3-on-the-tree manual transmission. The seller says it starts, runs, and drives, making it one of the more usable classics in this price range. Recent maintenance includes a new water pump, master cylinder, brake lines, and wheel cylinders. These repairs suggest that important mechanical systems have already received attention before the sale. Priced at $4,500 in South Bend, Indiana, this shoebox Ford appears to be a vintage driver rather than a full restoration project, while still leaving room for future cosmetic improvements.
Number 15, 1977 Nissan 280Z, $5,000, Paris, Illinois. This 1977 Nissan 280Z is described as an unmodified barn find equipped with fuel injection, air conditioning, and a manual transmission. The seller presents it as an original example that has not been heavily altered over the years. Like many Midwest Z cars, rust is present in the common problem areas. Aside from that, the listing does not mention major mechanical issues, although buyers should expect the typical work associated with a long-stored classic. Located in Paris, Illinois, this barn find 280Z is offered for $5,000. It represents an appealing restoration candidate for enthusiasts looking for an increasingly collectible Japanese sports car. Number 16, 1956 Packard Clipper Deluxe, $4,500, Athens, Ohio. This 1956 Packard Clipper Deluxe is equipped with an automatic transmission and is being sold as a project that will need to be trailered. The seller states that the car currently has no working brakes. Several mechanical upgrades have already been completed, including an upgraded oil pump, a Record original radiator, an electric fuel pump, and Coker whitewall tires. Replacement brake components are also included with the sale. Offered for $4,500 in Athens, Ohio, this Packard combines useful mechanical improvements with a few remaining repairs, making it suitable for someone interested in finishing a mid-century American classic.
Number 17, 1974 Volkswagen Beetle, 1.8T Classic Hatchback 2D, $4,000, Clarksville, TN. This 1974 Volkswagen Beetle starts and drives, although the seller says the idle is not properly adjusted and the engine will not idle for long without attention. The car has a clean title and shows signs of regular maintenance. Recent replacement parts include new tires, carburetor, distributor, ignition coil, plug wires, and battery. The interior is described as being in decent condition for the car's age. Priced at $4,000 in Clarksville, Tennessee, this Beetle appears to be a running project that mainly requires tuning and minor mechanical work before becoming a dependable weekend cruiser. Number 18, 1951 GMC Rat Rod, $4,000, Marinette, Wisconsin. This 1951 GMC Rat Rod is built on an S10 chassis and powered by a 2.2-liter engine with a manual T5 transmission. According to the seller, it starts, runs, and drives. The main issue noted is an engine misfire, although the seller suggests the truck is still capable of being driven. No other significant mechanical problems are mentioned in the listing. Located in Marinette, Wisconsin, this custom rat rod is offered for $4,000 and may appeal to buyers looking for an affordable driver with a unique appearance. Number 19. 1969 Volkswagen Beetle Hatchback 2D, $3,000, Youngstown, Ohio. This 1969 Volkswagen Beetle Hatchback 2D is described as a project car with approximately 94,000 miles. The seller says the engine runs well, but the vehicle still requires additional work before it is fully sorted. The listing provides few details about the remaining repairs, although it does note that the car is being sold without a title. Buyers should plan accordingly before making a purchase. Priced at $3,000 in Youngstown, Ohio, this Beetle offers an inexpensive entry into classic Volkswagen ownership for someone comfortable taking on a project. Number 20. 1977 MG MGB, $800, Toccoa, Georgia. This 1977 MG MGB is being sold as a non-running project. The seller says the interior remains in good condition, but the car has been sitting and will require mechanical work before returning to the road. No title is included because of the vehicle's age, and the seller is uncertain of the actual mileage. Beyond that, few additional mechanical details are provided. Offered for just $800 in Toccoa, Georgia, this MG is clearly a restoration or parts candidate, making it one of the lowest-priced classics in the entire group. If you enjoyed this lineup of affordable classics and project cars, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know which car you would take home. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.